somewhere in the early stages of making of the film, I and Sanya had met few women. And I remember it's one of the meeting was the most cathartic moment in my life.
पापा सिर्फ कॉल यही करते थे बताने के लिए आज खाने में नमक कम था या आज ये मिसिंग था. नेवर टू अप्रिशिएट हर. तो वो मैंने देखा है बड़ा क्लोजली.
A lot of women are stuck in like really terrible marriages,
Right.
Yeah.
and because they're not even financially independent, they can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
Like, they're just stuck there.
I was watching with my friends the other day, and almost all my guy friends were feeling trapped with Richa. Like in the first scene itself where she picks up the cup and she's washing it, almost all of them were like नहीं. तो जहाँ मुझे ये feel हो रहा होता है कि okay, this is somewhere I'm not feeling safe, not feeling comfortable.
Yeah.
I make sure that I'm communicating that. Somewhere we put women on a pedestal. We put mothers and wives on a pedestal, saying, I think it's an invisible labor. We think कुछ नहीं होता घर पे काम करना, but बहुत काम होता है. I have heard other people say कि क्या फ़ायदा तुम तो बैठी रहती हो घर पे. बैठे कोई नहीं रहा होता भैया, बहुत काम होता है.
बहुत काम
और ये
होता है.
सब हमने लॉकडाउन में भी देख लिया है कि मैं अकेली रहती थी. पर मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि बर्तन आते कहाँ से हैं. कि आधे लोगों को तो ये पता भी नहीं है कि देयर आर लाइक डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ अब्यूजेस, यू नो. कई लोग तो गैस लाइट हो रहे होते हैं, उनको वो भी नहीं रियलाइज़ होता कि मतलब बहुत ही स्लो, मतलब स्लोली दे स्टार्ट diminishing and depleting.
Sanya, Aarti, thank you so much for joining
Thank
me.
you.
I feel मेरे लिए आज ये interview से ज़्यादा एक conversation है, because being a girl I've seen the film and lucky perks of being a journalist, guys, हमें पहले देखने मिल जाती है, तो हमने देख ली है. And what I was going through was exactly something that I feel probably at some point maybe I haven't related with so much, but my mother has. So I think Beach movie में I had stopped it and I called my mom. And I told her, why don't you come sit and watch the film with me?
Oh.
And she said something very beautiful to me, which I'm going to bring it out to the both of you, Aaj. She said that पहली बार मैंने एक ऐसी फिल्म देखी है जहाँ पर पेट्रियार्की बहुत ही सटल वे में स्मैश की गई है, but बहुत जोर से लगी है दिल पे. And I was just like, what, mom, do you feel that way? Because for me, as the person who's not seen it, because I've grown up very gender neutral, I was like, for me, this is hard hitting. This is enough.
Yeah.
You know, so she's like, no, this is a very subtle way that, you know, it's come out for a person like me who's gone through it. So thank you.
Thanks, you
for
just
bringing
made me
that.
so emotional when
I
you're
know, I
saying
can
that.
see you
Yeah,
have tears in
I
your
know.
eyes, but...
Because, it's like, yeah.
So let me start off by asking you to
Yeah.
this. When you chose to do this particular film, and all my heart goes to you, give me that big why. Is it because you come from a space where you've probably seen many women go through it? Was it a personal experience?
Yeah.
कि आपको लगा कि यही है जो शायद एक societal impact की तरह हो सकती है?
No, it was a mix of all. I have seen my mother in close quarters go through this. I've seen my aunts, my masis, my buas. I've seen my sisters, my cousin sisters, and I have also gone through it in parts. Not to that extent, but like this is not a story of one woman, but I think it's story of almost every woman. We have kind of, you know, like she has shouldered that very big responsibility to tell this story responsibly. And so when I saw that, and somewhere in the early stages of making of the film, I and Sanya had met few women. And I remember it's one of the meeting was the most cathartic moment in my life, because I went through, you know, a girl you would not imagine, like you would think that she's a strong, independent girl, but she went through that and the horrors of it. And then I just, that was for me, you know, I walked out of that meeting with the resolve कि बहुत जिम्मेदारी से, बहुत प्यार से, चाहे come what may, I'll make this film with the purest form of me as an artist, you know, in that. So I really believed in that. I'll show and I'll not tell. I'll not have anybody making big dialogues or this, but I will make everybody realize silently what this is. And so what your mother said was exactly what I had intended. So, you know.
And it came through very distantly, even to me. क्योंकि जो Miss से Mrs. की journey है, I feel like as a woman, there's going to be all of us who will take that probably at some given point in time. And the generation that we are in right now,
Yeah.
you'd also know, where
Yeah.
we're talking about, I don't know, situationships, nanoships, ye wo वगैरह वगैरह.
Is this
But
a nano ship?
yeah, in 2025 there's a new word called nanoship
I
also.
actually
that?
love that word. मतलब nanosecond के लिए relationship.
Pretty much like that. It's like there's no definite time for it. You are emotionally involved and connected, but it might not result in marriage. It might just get done in 3 months, 6 months. Nanoship. And I come from a 1991 generation who doesn't believe in any of this. मेरे लिए तो शादी is the ultimate.
Yeah,
92, yeah.
Yeah, but शादी करने के बाद,
Yeah.
I don't want to spend the rest of my life as just
Yeah.
somebody's missus and in the kitchen.
Yeah.
You know, Sanya, when you were depicting those scenes, you know, where I feel like बहुत सारे shots ऐसे हैं जो आप pretty much on the loop कर रहे हो, but at the same time you have to show a very different emotion each time you're doing it.
Yeah.
I see you sometimes where you're like awkward, theek hai, etc. Then there is a part where you're like enjoying the cooking process also, and then you're like fed up completely. Ki, what am I doing?
Yes.
And then obviously the rest is history for everybody else to watch. Tell me those scenes every single time to probably depict certain scenes जो loop में थे, पर फिर भी एक अलग emotion निकालना. Where were you getting that out from?
There are different emotions in every scene. The first one, she is eager and keen to impress her in-laws and her husband. The second time you see her cook, she is managing it all alone. That's when she makes cooker wala biryani.
Biryani.
But she also wants to, you know, she's tired and she wants to enjoy that whole process by, you know, dancing a little, जो उसको बहुत पसंद है. तो that is also she wants to do it, but she's also like जो we usually do कि गाने चला के काम करते हैं, तो वो कर रही है. The second time you see it, she's locked in. She is looking at a video and trying to make the best biryani possible, and she feels fed up when the first time she feels fed up of that chore is when her friend calls her.
Yeah.
And you can see that she's irritated with her telling her कि उसका हो गया है, and she's feeling so jealous. It's the first time she's also realizing that where am I trapped, like why am I doing this?
Yeah.
Like she is feeling frustrated कि अच्छा इसको मिल गया है, and she's so jealous she blocks her.
Yeah.
So every scene, every cooking scene, though it's the same routine, of course the character is feeling different.
Very different emotions.
Yeah,
at
very
the same
different
time.
emotions and feelings.
Yeah, and at the same given point in time, Sanya, I feel the pressure was also on you to somewhere down the line justify that why am I feeling this? क्योंकि क्या होता है as women हम बहुत ज़्यादा pressurize कर देते हैं कभी ना कभी एक टाइम को कि अब शादी हो गई है तो अब चलाना ही पड़ेगा, कुछ भी हो जाए.
जो उसको बोल भी रहे हैं.
I have to always, the girl has to always match that eccentricity, the mercilessness of the in-laws. Like आप एडजस्ट करो उनके हिसाब से. मतलब ऐसे उन्होंने ऐसे शेप का बनाया है बहू को, तो आप इस शेप के भी होगे तो भी आपको ऐसे ही जाके फिट करना. मतलब you know, essentially.
You know that one scene wherein she finally makes not the cooker wala biryani and she still gives it, and still there is no like shabash, kuch अच्छा बनाया है, right? That lack of appreciation is not something that happens to women just who are married or who are with the Mrs. tag. I feel even with the Miss sometimes in professional spaces, a lot of women don't get that appreciation that they seek, right? Has that happened with you personally, Sanya, where let's say in your professional space you felt कि यार यहाँ पे क्यों, मतलब बोलने वाले पीछे जरूर तारीफ कर देंगे, लेकिन जब एक्चुअल में आके सपोर्ट करना होता है तो they're as nonchalant as probably the father-in-law is.
Personally नहीं हुआ है एक्चुअली मेरे साथ, बट मैंने देखा है अपने आसपास होते हुए कि मम्मा खाना बनाती थी और हम में से कोई भी नहीं बोलता था कि बहुत अच्छा खाना बना, बट पापा जैसे लंच लेकर जाते थे तो कभी कॉल करके बताते नहीं थी कि खाना अच्छा बना या कुछ है. बट जब भी कॉल करते थे ना तो मम्मी बोलती थी पापा को कॉल आ रहा है लंच टाइम पे, ज़रूर नमक कम होगा. तो पापा सिर्फ कॉल यही करते थे बताने के लिए आज खाने में नमक कम था या आज ये मिसिंग था. Never to appreciate her. तो वो मैंने देखा है बड़ा closely.
But has that happened with you as an actor, as a work somewhere down the line you felt like you've not gotten enough appreciation even from your friends and family sometimes, or you've had that support?
Yeah, I've always had that support.
That's a good thing, no?
Yeah, and I'm not even looking for that support and that validation from outside. I'm very lucky that I get that from my friends and my family, but I give give that validation to myself कि I'm doing a good job. मुझे किसी की I'm not looking for that validation from outside. कोई बात नहीं देना चाहते, कोई बात नहीं, मैं तो बढ़िया हूँ.
I'll pat my own shoulder.
Yeah,
That's nice.
yeah.
We actually discount ourselves
Why?
from doing that.
Yeah,
So I'm
why?
glad that you do that.
But there is this Michelle Obama's very famous quote that women have to work twice as hard to go half as far.
Yeah.
Like in other, like, you know, most of the workplaces.
Right.
So,
That's
yeah.
true. You
So,
know,
yeah.
another thing that I took away from the film was because I'm not married, so I was trying to draw parallels even from that point of view. I felt like sometimes women are just object of beauty. You know, आपको यही करना है, आप किचन संभालो, आप अच्छे दिखो, आप हस्बैंड को खुश करो, X, Y, Z.
Yeah.
My own wishes, my choices,
Yes.
my career, my
Yeah.
dreams are somewhere
Yeah.
down the line
Yeah.
of the back burner of that
Burner,
chula,
yeah.
but that's not what we want.
Yeah.
Arti, I want to understand through Mrs. what kind of, I don't know, dinner table conversations you feel this particular
Yeah.
film can
Yes.
start, and how do you think क्या impact हो सकता है लोगों को जो वो
Yeah.
देखेंगे?
I feel that, like, if you want women equal in the world, you have to first make them equal in the dining table.
Yeah.
You know, and as you rightly said and very nicely put it, that we love women as just function in our life. We don't see them as whole humans. We don't let them have a vision for their own future.
Yeah.
Like, for most women, the vision or the big picture involves what their husband will give to them or what their sons or daughters, if they are lucky. Otherwise, what happens, since the day she's born till she's old, she's gradually just reduced to a function कि आप ये मेरे लिए खाना बना. I am guilty of that.
Yeah.
I treat my mother like I used to, I mean, even now sometimes I treat her like कि मम्मी खाना चाहिए मुझे. So we treat them as function, but we don't see that कि उनके भी खुद के एक desires है, उनके भी कुछ अंदर के passion होंगे. So that is there, and that's what I think, that is the number one, and I feel this is very urgent and important. And I feel the first thing is people should sit and plan and make the mother sit or the wife sit whom they have treated like this, and कि आपको और क्या क्या करना है.
Yeah.
ये तो आप कर रहे पर और क्या क्या करना है to feel fulfilled in life.
Yeah.
So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि काफ़ी women, and हम लोग तो इतना fascinated है कि the girl should grow up and get married, that a lot of women are stuck in like really terrible marriages.
Right.
Yeah.
And because they are not even financially independent, they can't do anything about it.
Yeah.
Like, they're just stuck there. So, and in fact, like, I have personal examples. I had once met a very beautiful banker, and she said, I'm leaving my job because now I'm having kids, I want to focus on that. And that's a personal choice. But I met her like 7 years later, and I thought she was like not showing up herself. She wanted to hide, and she was something about her. I was like, you now what? It's not just that we have making her invisible. She herself wants to hide. There's a
Yeah.
certain anxiousness and anger and some defeat in them, and like, you know, the certain realization that life is passing by. So it shouldn't happen. Like, and to 50, like there's a 50% of population is threatened to
Correct.
that this can happen
Yeah.
to them.
For sure,
So
it always
that's what
happens.
I feel bad about.
You know,
yeah.
like picking from there only, I feel there's a particular scene where I've seen that कि, you know, वो चप्पल भी निकाल के रख रहे हैं.
हाँ.
कपड़े तो बहुत दूर की बात है.
हाँ.
Like, you know, it's just like men are on autopilot because they know that the women at the back seat is gonna do
Yeah.
everything for them.
Yeah.
But जब वो time आता है when probably she's chumming and she can't do anything, तब वो सबसे चला रहे हैं. वो
Yeah.
पोहा से चला रहे हैं, उपवा से खाना
हाँ.
चला रहे हैं, सब.
Yeah.
So it's not like they can't do it, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You know, Sania, if I were to ask you, what is your point of view when things like these happen? Like, what is your take when it comes to smashing patriarchy? Do you feel that, you know, these particular films or these particular scenes will evoke that feeling even in a man watching Mrs.?
Of course it will.
Mm.
And I hope it does. I was watching with my friends the other day, and almost all my guy friends were feeling trapped with Richa. Like in the first scene itself where she picks up the cup and she's washing it, almost all of them were like, "Nahi." Like, don't do it, because they could like sense it that this is the start of her washing the dishes and she's going to be trapped there.
Yeah.
They all were uncomfortable, and I could see that, and I felt like, yeah, the people who are aware and are ready to, you know, make those changes in their life. Some people are not, like, they're not ready. They have found comfort in patriarchy. It will not affect them at all.
Yeah.
But people who are aware that this is happening around them and want to maybe, you know, work towards changing that will obviously feel, and I hope they do something to change that.
Yeah. Have you ever felt trapped?
Have I ever felt trapped? Never. Never. I'm quite like independent, and I was also raised with those, values and understanding कि ऐसे ही हूँ मैं. मतलब I will not like change or वैसा वाला था नहीं. I will change if I want to, but वैसा नहीं है. मतलब I've never felt trapped in anything in my life. Have I?
That's so beautiful because like life sometimes has its own ways to trap you, right? It not necessarily might be in the kitchen or in the house, but sometimes I might feel trapped while doing an interview where I'm like, oh my God, I'm feeling cornered at this particular point in time. Or, I'm out there, maybe I'm at a particular place or a job and I want to do something else and I'm not getting to. So that's also feeling trapped. Like if I were to ask you, since you've not felt that emotion, then how is it that you sort of drive, that sense of maybe security or like liberty and independence within Sanya as herself to not feel this way?
Yeah, I think I've set really solid boundaries. I also am very intuitive. तो जहाँ मुझे ये feel हो रहा होता है कि okay, this is somewhere I'm not feeling safe, not feeling comfortable. I make sure that I'm communicating that, and sometimes it happens that your communication is not being received by the other person, and I'll leave that place. I don't push myself to be there or to please anyone, because I'm not here to please anyone but me. So I set really solid boundaries, and I make sure that I'm communicating what I want and what I'm okay with and what I'm not okay with.
Aarti, if I were to ask you, do you think Mrs. OTD pe aana is like such a beneficial thing? Because there are a whole bunch of people, like hum tier 1 ki baat kare, to yes, we're all evolved, maybe we'll take a stand for ourselves, we'll walk out of a marriage easily like it's a relationship. But then we're also talking about tier 2, tier 3 markets, and we're also talking about women who exist, and that's not a market, that's people living that particular life. And maybe when they'll watch a Mrs., they'll also feel the same thing, ki yaar ye hamare sath ho raha hai, hum loop pe yehi kar rahe hain. If I were to say, it's more like they're glorified maids rather than just being wives. So what do you want to like tell those women who will probably watch Mrs.? I'm not saying here that we're propaganding that leave, but all we're trying to say is that no, and stand for your right, right?
Stand for your right and stand for your full humanity is what I feel, that you are life is such a precious thing, you're so blessed to have that consciousness where you can explore the universe and you can make sense of the world around you, and don't just reduce yourself just because the world around you is reducing yourself. So just find yourself. And I'm sure like in our film also, whenever Richa is happy, she's actually trying to cook and do things like so she's being able to, like, we are not saying don't do the household work, but also be a fuller human being, and that realization that they should have, like, what I feel like.
Why do you all think as women yourselves that it's always expected out of us only कि हम ही sacrifice करें? Why do you think like that? क्यों है ये?
Because somewhere we put women on a pedestal. We put mothers and wives on a pedestal, saying कि there's a very nice dialogue in the trailer and the film where the father-in-law is telling Richa कि आपकी मम्मी PhD हैं बेटा, पर उन्होंने अपने बच्चों के लिए, अब उनके बच्चे और वो मतलब उनकी फैमिली हमेशा उनकी मेजर प्रायोरिटी रहे हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं you're putting her on a pedestal and also ignoring the fact that she might have her own passions and dreams. तो ये तो हम अपने आसपास जनरेशन से सुनते आए हैं कि ये सब छोड़ दिया क्योंकि वो बच्चे संभाल रही हैं. कितनी बड़ी बात है, मतलब है ना, कोई बात नहीं, छोड़िए, तो नॉर्मल सी बात है. तो वो हम करते आए हैं, ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज वी हैव बीन पुटिंग women on a pedestal. We need to stop doing that.
I think I'm so happy that you said this, because 9 out of 10 times yahi hota hai. It's just like, oh, if you're working, you're a bad person. If you're a working mother, you're a horrible mother.
You're not taking care of your kids.
If I want to contribute in finances, why should you? But at the same time, let me also address another bunch where there are women who do take care of the house, who are probably willingly not wanting to work, but then they are also labeled and termed as gold diggers. Ghar pe baith ke aaram kar rahi hai, ऐश कर रही है, तुम्हें काम ही क्या होता है? Things like that, they also exist and they also happen. Do you want to say something to such things that go on? Like, what are your individual takes?
नो बट दैट्स व्हाट इट इज कि वो घर पे बैठ के तो आराम कर ही नहीं रही है, घर पे बैठ के पूरा बहुत काम करती है।
Yeah.
घर का काम एक्चुअल में बहुत ज़्यादा है, मतलब अगर मैं भी मेरी तो अगर अभी बीच में होता कि 1 महीने के लिए मेरी मॉर्निंग की कुक नहीं आई थी, उसमें भी मेरी दूसरी हेल्प मतलब मेरे लिए कट करके रेडी रखती थी और धोने के लिए भी सब रेडी थी। तो मुझे लेकिन एवरी मॉर्निंग जस्ट वो सब्जी बनाना इतना इरिटेशन लगता था कि सैटरडे संडे व्हेन माय हस्बैंड वुड बी एट होम, ऐसे भाई मैं तो नहीं बना रही, यू मेक इट, लाइक यू नो, like it's like there's no break. It's like imagine having a job but no days off.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Yeah.
and every day the responsibility is on you, and it's too
Yeah.
much. Like, you know, as you go, the economic, so that's why economic freedom is important. And there's a very close friend of mine, Meghna, and she had given me like when I had my kid, and she had given me that very good suggestion. Is that ki agar even if you're spending more to house help, then you're earning, but that house help is helping you get out and do your work. You spend that money because your independence is priceless.
Wow.
And your work is priceless. And that advice I thought is like so important. Like, you know,
Yeah.
yeah.
Amazing.
So, yeah.
Sanya, do you want to add to something?
Yeah, as Aarti said, we consider, I think it's an invisible labor. We think कुछ नहीं होता घर पे काम करना, but बहुत काम होता है. और the one thing that we need to stop doing is, if it's a choice, if it's her choice, then who are we to question or judge her for? मतलब at least she's not being forced to do that. I hope she's not. क्योंकि अगर force हो रहे हैं तो मत करो. Then I hope you have that awareness and you are like आप कुछ कर रहे हो उसको change करने के लिए. तो अगर ये कई औरतों की चॉइस होती है, and I have heard other people say कि क्या फ़ायदा, तुम तो बैठी रहती हो घर पे, बैठे कोई नहीं रहा होता भैया, बहुत काम होता है.
बहुत काम
और ये
होता है.
सब हमने लॉकडाउन में भी देख लिया है कि मैं अकेली रहती थी, पर मुझे समझ नहीं आता था कि बर्तन आते कहाँ से हैं. घर कैसे गंदा हो जाता है कि मैं तो अकेली हूँ और मेरी सिर्फ एक बिल्ली है, तो मुझे रोज़ वही सेम काम, हमें लगता है कि कुछ नहीं होता, पर बहुत काम होता है.
हाँ, that's true. You know, Sanya, I also want to ask you this, since you've portrayed this part, you know, where you do towards the end of it leave your husband, and there's a scene where उसकी life he started again और वो same pattern चल रहा है. That's why I asked you कि क्या लड़कों को ये realization है नहीं, हमें पता नहीं है, we are not able to sort of judge and understand that. और उसकी life चल रही है. अभी भी where we are probably in a city like Mumbai where we're all sitting right now, maybe divorce is not that big a deal anymore. It's like नहीं चला, relationship थी, टूट गई. But there are still a lot of cities where divorce, separation, you know, fighting for your own goal and dream, especially if you're a woman, is a very big thing. I want to know how is you know, for you as an actor, depicting those emotions and that part towards the climax of the film, and how do you personally feel about it?
It was definitely not easy depicting those scenes. And we shot the film linear. Every day I could see a dip in my, you know, mood and my mental health, because when we were prepping, we had met so many women who had shared their own stories. I was every day reminded of the fact that this is happening with someone in real life. So every day, whenever Richa used to go through all of this, and I in those scenes, in उस break period में मुझे लगता था कि oh my God, like ये किसी के साथ सच में हो रहा है. हाँ. So I was constantly reminded of that fact. And it was definitely not easy, but towards the end of it, she just wanted to get out of it, you know. She had had enough, and she knew कि यहाँ कुछ नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि इस आदमी को नहीं समझ आ रहा है. ऐसा नहीं कि she is not trying to communicate. When she did that कि हमें foreplay करना चाहिए, she is also like telling him कि there are solutions that we can do it, but she sees. And मुझे लगता है एंगर में भी ना लोगों का पता चल जाता है कि somebody is not ready to listen to you or ready to change. I think those are the emotions when you know कि अच्छा ये will you be able to gel with this person or not. I think those scenes are the breaking point for her, where she realizes that whatever she's trying to communicate to her husband is he's not ready to receive it, and will not ever be able to understand where she's coming from. And तभी वो, I think she takes such a big step, you know, because she knows that she will lose herself completely if she listens to her mother or anyone else
Do you
to
also
stay in
think
in that relationship.
True, but do you also feel that somewhere down the line we discount mental health over physical abuse that happens in families and marriages? Like I feel sometimes that's more glorified. कि अरे मारा तो नहीं है ना, तो तुमको क्या mental problem हो रही, तुमको क्या suppression हो रहा है,
Yeah.
तुमको क्या हो रहा है, होता है, right?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल होता है
Yeah.
कि आधे लोगों को तो ये पता भी नहीं है कि there are like different form of abuses, you know.
Yeah.
कई लोग तो गैसलाइट हो रहे होते हैं, उनको वो भी नहीं रियलाइज होता कि मतलब बहुत ही स्लो मतलब slowly they start diminishing and depleting. That's why it's so important and crucial that we talk about mental health and we start these conversations. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि कई आधे लोग तो अनअवेयर है कि उनके साथ क्या हो रहा है रिलेशनशिप में, और we have also somewhere romanticized romantic relationship and marriages.
Yeah.
The reality is कि love goes out of the window in a few months, and then the real struggle starts, you know.
Yeah.
So get to know that person fully, and in a arranged marriage setup, that I think with her, I'll take her example because I have not experienced it, but when I was building her character up, I thought that she of course was attracted to Diwakar physically, and in that whole, you know, period, she I think was ignoring all the red flags that he was maybe, you know, showing her.
Yeah.
तो वो हो जाता है जब you are only going for the physical aspect of it. I think she was enamored by, oh my god, this handsome doctor that she's falling in love with.
Yeah.
You tend to also then forget कि also कितना pressure होता है फिर लड़कियों पे कि भाई शादी हो जाए शादी हो जाए शादी हो जाए, उस पूरे process में आप भूल जाते हो कि you need to get to know a person emotionally.
Yeah.
So take your time, do not rush into a relationship.
Lovely. You know, I think this is whatever we've spoken right now is a message for so many people out there watching. Aarti, Sania, thank you for your time. I feel
so
Mrs.
much,
is a movie that should reach every woman out there and every man out there as well.
Yes,
so as they pick one or two things from there and understand.
Thank
you so much for your time.
Thanks a
Aarti,
lot.
Sania, lovely chatting.
Thanks.
This is me, Hesha Chima, signing off.